gentlemen, Poumai's Got Talent Season 6. Are we excited? Yes. Come on, man. The energy. Guys. Rule number one. Are we excited? Yes. Thank you. I like that. Okay, now as I call out the serial numbers, I request the participants to come and take their time, one after another. Serial number 1. It's a very interesting name. Jesus Toddler. Serial number 1. Jesus Toddler, stage is yours.
Pastor Joy!
Good evening, friends. I'll be singing a song called Tell the World. Let's have some fun.
Thank you. That was Jesus Toddler, man. Ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause, please. Jesus Toddler, aka Mr. Savio. Thank you very much once again. Serial number 2, Mr. J. Kuzalu.
This song is called Knocking on Heaven's Door by Guns N' Roses.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Once more. Guys, once more. Here's the mic. Serial number 3.
日下了会耶，你还哪了？哎，你们到底是我哪？啊，我买下了手机的。
Thank you very much. Serial number 4, Mr. Agit. Agit or Agit. A-G-A-T, Mr. Agit. Can you come and take the time?
My name is not weird. My name is again, I am from Khungde Kuman, a beautiful village. The title of my song for this evening is Stony by Lobo.
She
You know what she does? She would always try to hold my hand. And slowly, happy all the time. And slowly, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. And slowly how I left your simple way. And I don't recollect the time I fell in love with this old friend of mine. Oh, when I first saw in her eyes what she tried so not to hide. And slowly, happy all the time. And slowly, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. And slowly, how I left your simple way. Can you sing it with me? And slowly, happy all the time. And slowly, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. And slowly, how I left your simple way. And slowly, how I left your simple way. Thank you.
Thank you very much, brother again. Thank you. Guys, once more. Let's give it up for brother again. Once more. Five, Mr. Kangao.
I'm Frangao from Keishipum village, and the song which I'm gonna sing, which is I think they call this love by Felicitation Ceremony. Hey, say you know when you know, so let it face it. You hand me a hello, hesitation never held. How could this be anything else? Wait, all our dreams always your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that you know. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss to lonely hearts. It's all that it takes now, baby. You're my mind, every day, every night. The virus is getting loud. How could this be anything else? Wait, all I dream is always your eyes. All I want for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that you know. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to hear your voice. Please scream. I can hear you guys. Let me hear you scream! Thank you. Kalau sore, myself, kita masuk belajar joy. Lah, participants pada competitors pada, semua sore, jor jazz pada, kita pakai usul belajar, kau boleh gero, jor jazz pada baik boleh. Joe, very exciting. Next item I bag is either guest, legendary, K Nano, Chalala. He's a famous singer, composer, songwriter, and live performer. Since 1990. He has more than 100 songs. Film Poumai film playback to you. List YouTube ka. Ala loli ito. Ahiko. Latihan semua ni tau. Kita latihan semua ke? Biar dia lo, dia kolah semua. Toko iwa pada ni, dia semua. Ala jual je. Biar lo kita wei semua kalau semua dah siapa. Biar tajuk kenapa? Tralala. Future lo dah lah tralala tu semua. Mari sini. Please give a big round of applause and welcome K. Nana Tralala!
Ladies and gentlemen, a moment of truth. A moment we've all been waiting for. Suspense is over. The judges has decided. It's time to declare Poumai's Got Talent, the result of Poumai's Got Talent Season 6. From the people's opinion, who do you think won?
Pastor Joy!
I can't hear you guys, man. Come on.
Pastor Joy!
Yes, guys.
Before I declare the result, I request Mr. President to come up on the stage.
The runners-up of Poumai Naga Chudmaime Delhi Got Talent is. Guess who? I can't hear you guys. Are you not excited? Ito ba mo? Pala chumwa pa ma do ma habu. Tholai pa ke. Runs up. Runs up tholai pa ke. Kuzulu. Mr. Kuzulu, the runners-up of PMTMD Got Talent. Guys, make some noise. What the way of noise in this game? Mr. Kuzulu, then is that. Louder, please. Congratulations, Kuzulu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Poumai's Got Talent Season 6 is... Season 6 is... my brother, Mr. Agay. Mr. Agay. Winner of PGT Season 6, Mr. Agay. Come on, come on. Tony.
Give them a big round of applause, guys.